Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to show you how to create your own map in Google Maps. So the first part, I'm going to show you how to get to the My Maps section of Google Maps. Up here in the Google Grid, if you click, you may have to go down to More, and then you're going to click on Maps. Once that opens up, you're going to select the three lines in the upper left-hand corner, down to My Maps. And then if you've ever created a map before, then you may see it listed here, but for most of us, we'll probably need to go down to Create Map. Okay, the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to title our map. Okay, so make sure you follow your teacher's directions on whatever how you want to title it. If you're going to have your first name or Biome map or however your teacher tells you to title it, and save. Okay, so now we have our title up here, and then we're going to use one layer for this project, so we can title this layer whatever biome you're going to map. Okay, and then we can start adding some of the items to our map. So I'm going to zoom out and zoom back in. And when you want to draw or add a object or a shape to the map, you're going to use this menu here. If you click on it and then draw a line or a shape, and then as you draw, you can let go of the mouse and click, or you can keep the button pushed. And then as you get your shape, once you're finished with your shape, then you can modify it. So now if you want to stretch different dots out to make it a little bit more accurate, then you can modify your shape to fill the spot you'd like to fill. Alright, and you're going to want to name it. Now that we have our first place mark added, this shape that we've added here, we can add information, a description, and even some images. So this little toolbar here allows you to customize your place mark. So we're going to try to add a photo. You can do an image search and select an image that represents your biome, and that's going to add it to your place mark. You can add a description here and click Save. Another way you can customize your place mark besides adding a description or images is to actually change the color of your place mark. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. If you hover over the layer, there's a little paint can here, and then you can choose your shade and then also the transparency. Okay, now I'm going to show you a better way than to do this individually. There's a way we can do to edit all of the place marks at once. So I'm going to add another object here, another shape. So I draw a quick one out. Okay, escape. Hit the escape button if you mess up your shape a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to name that 4 for now. Save. Alright, so now I have two place marks here. Number 1, and then if I click over here, it goes to this one. Okay. Now once I have all of my areas drawn on my map, I can go and use this tool here. Right now it's individual styles, which means each place mark I can have a different shade or style a little bit differently. But for this layer, if you're only going to be doing one biome, then you can select, instead of individual styles, you can select uniform style. Okay? And then when you come down here, you can pick, and now all of your objects will have the same style. Okay. Once you have all of your biome regions applied to your map, one of the most important things you're going to need to do is you're going to have to get the link for this map to put it onto your slideshow. So I'm going to click on the share button, and it's going to give this link. Okay, but before I use this link, I have to make some adjustments, because right now the access is just a private access, so you're the only one that can access this. So we're going to have to change that, and we're going to select anyone at Kenston Local Schools with the link. So I'm going to change it to that, and they can view, and I'm going to click save. Now, if you're going to share this with somebody, you want to be able to adjust the map. If you have a partner that's going to also work with you, collaborate on this map, then you could share it with that partner and just make sure they have edit rights. But to put the link onto your slide, these are the settings we would like. So save. You're going to copy this link, and then you can put it on your slide.